Who's the real MVP of the animal kingdom? Let's compare. Otters use tools and can solve puzzles. Brainiac level. 9 out of 10. Chickens? They remember faces. Respectable 7 out of 10.
Otters are apex snack hunters in rivers. But chickens? Very delicious. It's a tie, 8 out of 10.
Otters hold hands when they sleep. Cuteness overload. 11.10. Chickens? Fluffy babies equal adorable. Angry hens equal nightmare. 6.10. Final score. Otter, 28. Chicken, 21. The otter reigns supreme, but don't count the chicken out. Subscribe for the next animal face-off. Trump versus Yujiro Hanma. It's gonna get weird.